jaga ne-damage wena they're not buwa
Saka no damage.
kunje
kanjani so
Akisiboni.
la silahleka kanjani
Manje sicede kuwa sisekho. Asiwile la phansi mara sikho la phansi.
asijike phansi okay let's do this guys
Yeah, mafethu, welcome back. Yini kwenzakalani?
he wanted to make sure that uyazibona yena na
no
Plus vele phela i-quality tester ngawo wena mawubonakala lapha
Ora
show ukuthi sonke sobonakala.
ulukile.
no bengifuna ukubona ukuthi le mic bengifuna ukubona ukuthi yonke into ihleli kahle na
Oh.
Mara sihlele kahle.
yeah
Thank
yonke into
you.
iphashash
Alright.
Oh.
yes
Ungaphuza.
I amakhapha kude inkinga you can drink with
With what?
She's like no, she's saying
She can drink with what?
but nah, marikhulume tebuzo khuluma. You
no.
can drink with your mouth.
Naka
Ungaphuza
noka yingi mara.
Kinto nanya kwebula right
Without-
now or you can drink with now I believe that he thinks he's struggling to find a correct word or sentence to use mola gore you can drink una ninkare ha ka re molomo ka ila ka swa isinya ke se
You
jatla
can drink with your mouth.
no mara akusi everything ngomele icedelelwe
I-10
Ukuthi-
Ngoba bonjabele 10.
ngithe
what a ghost she is. Anyways guys, let us do this
Yes, yeah, mafethu. Welcome back to another episode of Facts and Laughs, mafethu. Yes, this is your host ke ayena kana la madi ama nna msepile ga tjama pula na masakha peace ke nana boy. Ke bakale pheko se so ganga se ke shake nna ke ngwana tjegala ka modida matepe sa mtjaki ke mo ramphela la makga ko scroll sa mejele magale a ke pitjete ya ka ipiwe ka mini ke marapa a chukuja ka ipiwe ka pitjete ya ke chabariti ke na ba ke compana ko.
I don't know if it's me or what. When today he's been saying it. It's a longer, yeah. Seriously. Am I lying?
nyakonilisa leader
We are correct. Hi guys, I am back. This is your girl Dosana. Mama Bantwana. I know you've been thinking that we are going. Tina Sibalegi. Sipong uthi. Sibuye sinithi.
Yeah.
Surprise. We here. And I missed you so much. Ke lo gopotse jwang
Yo,
Shem.
let me very low potje shebe.
Oh.
2 weeks to 3 weeks
you
ne.
don't know
And saba nokusho ngoba ngithi masisho uthi siyadefa.
yeah
Hey.
Finally bona bayalalela. My timing. Masizo wena namhlanje into ezinsha.
vamakwerhu indzamba mayembala ndzumba sitsuvani manyika imbita xichava kuphama vamakwerhu this is your boy Mathaming indoda ibiza namhla ifike kusasa uma limi indima angacedi hayi
Aye. Yo, Tio Khani, to my feet.
Aye.
Wash one.
Guys. No, we've been gone. We've been gone.
Been missing out.
You and we've been missing out. I'm being honest with you. Ari, let us just hear you, happy ghost.
Hi, it's a girl, happy ghost, the prettiest ghost you'll never see.
Like it.
Yeah.
you guys so much
Yes,
as
and
well.
welcome
know.
back. Welcome back, guys. Yo.
You know, I can see their faces, guys. Like
Nah.
now I know them. I can see that this one was even crying, and then this one lost weight.
yes you see ish.
And now the color that he's about to gain, and I rat, he doesn't like this complexion.
Yeah.
So now that we are back, he's going back to black.
Yeah.
Uncle Rumjitsa.
Ezimnyama ngenka.
But right to survive kule nyeva dose yokuhambisa abantu bangali.
Awuhleza ama
Survivile
ngi-ID ngimtshelile ukuthi akheza phetha ID.
Oh,
Otherwise,
survivile
yes,
because
yes.
yokunzima mfethu.
Hey.
Babes, you know you need to stay away from something for a little bit. Uzohlala nabantu because kushubile apha ngaphandle sisi. Good rough. Like people are chasing people. People are saying go home. And I've been thinking about my timing and I'm like, is he safe? Because you know, the fact that they like, umbuka njani? Hayi, noma ungayenza njani wena uyanyawubuyi la. imagine and only to find out that muthola waka mo ene ke motsonga. What do you guys want to say about us after le re batho ba ko Limpopo ba le support le reng ka bona?
No, but e wa kere ba ilukisitse.
Aya ba ilukisha.
They fix it le parking le babo barkmang na babo pene aye. We local podcasting yang izo they solve this thing and then know they are fine. And then they Ngizo even made him to understand worry. When they sing a song, when they say Amashangan, they don't specifically mean Amashangan abe Limpopo, but they mean Amakwerekwere. Instead of using the word Amakwerekwere, they use Amashangan. So Papa Penny told them, I understand, but can you please stop singing the song? So they stopped singing the song.
And which is true, and I understand what they're giving us. What is this? They're explaining whatever Mashanga Dabari, Bakamubara, Akakwa. But today I'm telling you about something that happened now. You're not old. Taxi driver, because you don't get a one and I hear about Bamatu Batana. You make the way. You put that. What's the Shanga Lila? You call it Shanga like did to come on roller. Aye, one love, a sweet. I love this guy. I love a sweet.
Olava me.
And I go to the driver look up on a weekend. I want to papa in a cool night.
Yeah. I want to Shangan is the
and I agree. Arai, Briaka. No, I'm sure Nina. So now, I support what he said. Oh, manji, Sabai. I don't know which news in Tolaranjan, Kota Manji, Sabai, Valang, Witty, Bashola Banga. Let's find.
And they are fine now. Limpopo and KZN is fine. I don't know when they are going to Limpopo. Oh, I have sent some videos on the group. Pagalum Tagati said it would Tebazo Limpopo because there's someone they've killed in Limpopo, which was killed by foreign people. So now they are going to march at Limpopo. I am not sure about the date, but you can play the video so that you can be sure.
Can you play it, my lady? Miniphonium again. Aina space.
Oh, menang sabukala ngale because record sound ka Ghost Happy Ghost.
Can you play it, my lady?
Happy Ghost na uphela wika mo sa phone. What's going on?
You don't wanna know what's going on with her. Ha.
Ghost is not just a name. She's a ghost.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. She is a ghost. As like they know you are, because he's always asking what is she saying, and Nohon she has her own phone. Guys, I don't understand her. I'm not happy with her. That's it.
Yeah, I do have a phone. It's something else.
Amen. Emampili kuwo ba re ba mo fisheditse ntlo.
Okay Pagalum Tagati. O wa mfishe ijingo sa kufika kwa yona.
Hayi ke ba bantshi. We mara phakela mthakathi nka re sona le ola ke manyene.
Ngizwe.
Okay. Oh. Abra ngizwa aya. Skisi ntaka. Aya skisi mja. Wena ukantata skisi braya ka ke ala tshwantsha yo ngizwe. Oh bathumile yangizwe. Oh so ba Limpopo. Jojo mo Limpopo mo ba bolele. You know what? Nto yona e gona all over ne. But shemna tsa ko Limpopo. Shechirna le bo papa ntwelang ene shechirle connected. Le bo papa comfort.
Ke yona ntene ba e bolela.
Wa bona
Gore ba figile ka mola stile re bolela ka
ba
yona.
di kgomo tša vorena ba di disha gavutse da bua di ferretje di kgomo tša vorena bo
A le dishetse ke Masotho.
rena a re šetse ke Masotho
Yo.
re šetse ke batho ba utswa ka ntle ka gobane Masotho a utswa ke bomopheme.
But you know what's the problem now? If you guys are like fighting about refugees and foreigners and stuff, I never know Masotho.
A phela ona le Masotho ka South Africa ska la bala ke
Akere-
Masotho I don't mean
Truth be told-
Basotho ba ka o
I never
They you know, you are being honest about it. Aba ba le
ka
mama
go
Masotho.
botse ke mang ko nje ya shit ke mang a ila e bolela nto ya re Sotho people they have papers a Masotho ba no ka mo ba fika without passport Masotho ba na le passport tsa bona.
Some they do, because there are others who don't, and I don't want to mention the name of them.
So hence they say
But they
undocumented foreigner. They mean all of them that is undocumented.
You
all.
are saying it. How you saying it? It makes sense. But then what she's saying is they're not active.
I feel like what you're saying, like it's their whole purpose, what they mean to do. But I feel like at some point they have like certain people that they are mostly focusing on.
Yes.
First
Like-
thing that one thing I know for sure, Sotho people are the last people in their mind. Swati people are the last people in their mind. Is it Sotho,
But
Tswana, and Kilo Sotho, Botswana, and Swaziland? Those are the
Ndebele.
last people in their mind.
it's because what he said, because of Renale Bona Kam wabo. So in some of them they survive. I think I think some of them they survive because of Renale Masutu, Renale Matswana, Renale
Mandebele,
Mandebele, Renale Maswati. Which is hence Libona Bale ma Zimbabweans are complaining that you guys are saying Zimbabweans must go home. But sinabantu be Malawi, sinabantu be Congo, we have people from Nigeria.
But guys,
And then
we
I'm like-
means you are not following this case, ne?
No, we are.
Malawi, even the president of Malawi thanked Ngizo and the group because of they returned a criminal that they were looking for many years.
Listen, even though we are watching it, we still have Malawian people that we are with, but they don't have certain things. Hence, I'm saying Zimbabweans, they felt like, why is attacker attacked? Like,
So yeah, are you saying they are taking Zimbabweans only?
no, they are not attacking Zimbabweans only. No, we are saying, how we are saying it, it makes sense. But hey, if it's over too, I my head's rearing, everyone should have. If you are not a South African citizen, you should have your papers. Mara rena re reng, abatsamaya Zimbabwe. So Zimbabweans, yes, hence I'm saying now Zimbabweans are like, why nihlezi nithi ama Zimbabwe ngathi mabahambe amalawi nabile rena re reng, as long as usajwe South Africa ujwa kai Zimbabwe. Masikhule nathi bebathi
We
king.
know like we have our main focus.
Focus.
And, like even though like Malawians and Kenyans and Nigerians and whoever, like they are included. But they are like those ones following. They are at the back. When I say at the back of their mind, I'm like they're not gonna chase a Sotho man because he's just in South Africa doing his business. Understand?
And they need to
Yeah,
chase
but-
them.
But once they get to greet you and they find out of your accent is like Kenyan Nigerians, they just start attacking.
Yeah, because their accent is killing them. Hence, Masutus are surviving. Ngire ba fihla ba re, "Hey baba uthi yini wena ga ku utlwi ba thoma ba re, ipedi lele fosek." Plus akere vele they don't want aba re fitshantse, ipedi lele fosek. So wena baba qala baba, "Ay mitsa mbibereko woza la." Plus angisho labantu ba borwa ngani, ba borwa oh, I don't know if I said it right.
Even their dress code, it can tell. Or,
Yeah.
And sometimes ba borwa ke ntho bona hore banna ka re ke di-clever. They come from Zimbabwe. When they get here baba like, "Ngimumndebele." Ba kitimela ku Zulu. A language that they should never ever dlalelt into.
Yeah,
Banishayela
yeah.
yona lento manje.
Yeah.
wona bofuna ukuthini mathimi?
Manje ngiyangibangaza manithi mina ngifana nabantu bale ngaphandle.
Ulisaselapho. Sikhuluma izinto eziserious kanje ulisaselapho.
No, I wasn't. Mina bengiza kule point.
Askis or apologize. Apologize. Askis.
No. Yazi mina bengiphendula yipi? Lokuthi ubona ngedress code yabo yabona. Shit mina niyangibangaza.
Hayi.
Luthi mina ngiqoka njengabantu bangale ngaphandle mina.
Wabona dress code?
Yeah.
Mina angisupport ngoba I didn't say that because we have many of them ba ile gore wangkushisha
Yeah.
libile utla nagana nkare kwa ko di music video nje with Drake. I believe if laba bangcolile ilaba nje kuna abafana ngisho kuna
Muslim king Congolian and
bazabe bashaya bathi
Bapilanyana majita vela like they wabona re ke dintsetse. Like nalo
did you
batho
hear
ba
what he just said uthe bapilanyana
eh akere ke sapata nto e
and
bolelang
last na be registering bapilanyana last na be registering
registering ke le mmerekong I was not even ashamed of registering doesn't mean or I'm gay
go tlo ba
nto ne ke ya registering e ya ke ma celebrity ha o fetana batho ba le ba badileng ba le ba tsebang go di ko TV ba ya registering e just we won't say because of series ya esa ba ya join no
e tlo jwa mara
yeah I go for sure this June
ne ba le dirang mara ba la pesha di be ba nenzani ka kancane
is a good they go tswang go boots after more or room put this after we shoot it is a good series shem
mara
everyone is
watching
watching
bona
it.
mara wa lena ke re la be registering o tlo bona
Nah, shit.
Nah
you just wearing them for fun
we wearing for there is a reason for wearing
oh
it.
ne di bonala mo
Re kopa o extend after show because ra bona ro atika jana.
Hey, it's a big entertainment studio in South Africa. Very silent kwa udlala.
yeah
Was it for a scene and then you shoot?
yeah but it was for a scene
But actually mola series ngela ya ya pariwa vele. O tsebo ro ya kwa sa tsoro vele kwa registering because of No, because I can't speak about it just because of I want to say resize
So,
Yo.
so at this point, we don't have the full information. We conclude as gay.
No problem.
Until proven wrong.
Oh boy.
No
Until
problem.
proven
No
wrong.
problem.
Period.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Yes.
Ufuna ukuthini?
Wangathi usayigqokile i-G-string iba right.
Listen up.
Listen up.
Uyabona ngokutshele mina.
Yeah. Some of them they don't wear the G-string bona labo bayenza kanjalo. Igcoke yini sicakile nje ne.
Never let me go dira chelete. We didn't even care about that.
Oh, he can do it again over
Hey,
and over again.
Again.
And mo sinning ele mo tsentšha mo yona this time le kire bashimane ba ko Congo.
What's about Bulala? So it's because of you don't know. Uyazi ukukhuluma kanje. It's because of she doesn't know the series le besikiyo. She doesn't know the production le besikiyo. Akazi la ma celebrity lawo besekutha nawo lapha. Huge people.
Why-
Huge people.
I think he needs that.
Ubona uyazi
I think he
mina,
needs water.
Ghost lady ukuphendula lento leboyisha ne ukuthi like amasuthu abawabali amalentuzane abawa count kule.
Uyayikhatha le topic.
Ngiyabona ukuthi yakudika kancane.
And I was getting the
Akadiki
Stop
mina
it, I
mina
hate
ukuthi akuzingisela ukudlela athi ngigame vele ngathi is okay. Mina akunandaba sibhala ngithi mina ngiyazazi. Kina kana la madam namsibili nakhanda.
Yo!
I know myself.
Mfula ngabe.
I see.
Wasomlo. Let's say. Continue.
Yeah, mina ngibona ukuthi like kufana example ne la ekas la akugcwalanga ama Nigeria ama suit ama inini kugcwale ama abantu ba Semaputo Zimbabwe yabona izinto ezikanjalo so yengapha masikhala ngama foreigner uzoza umuntu athi Zimbabwe Maputo ngoba kugcwala abantu labo abangala ngale
Ubabiza labantu
so
ababona.
mawuya kuphi kuthola ukuthi kugcwele ama Nigeria
Bazotha ama Nigeria njenge Joburg.
yeah bazothi ama Nigeria ngoba bahlupha ama Nigeria bona uyabona
Yeah, let us just say like that, but we know ukuthi la sikhona baningi abantu babe eMalawi mara asibabali and bona bayazwakala.
No, siyababala bona nawo yazi.
Angiri na re ke maZimbabwe hence maZimbabwe akwadisha ke yona into ya hore wena o utswa Zimbabwe. Yeah, and thina singcono thina sisicoba I lokhu njani I roll on ilibona maZimbabwe bari butsho re ska ba sunshale batho botsho ko Malawi. Nqis true. Ari
Batho moitse
ngiyakutshela.
baningi. Hey.
ngavela ngitshela ukuthi akuna roll on nga
Kuphi? Kanina niyazi ngicabanga ukuthi labantu bahambela mahala ngale matata kuyenyiwa ngale manje sikhona because abasithatha ngapha ngithi siya ngale.
And yazi nina nibona nizenza ngcono because nina manje i-economy i-right niyakwazi ukuthi
Awa Sara hloka roll on.
Risenza ngcono
Sara
kai.
hloka roll on.
Risenza ngcono kai.
labantu laba bebaniphethe
Mara Ghost lady.
Kuphi?
Happy Ghost. We're not gonna repeat this. There is a difference between a refuge and a foreigner. Please.
Don't take us
Get
back
this in your head.
in
There's
your
a difference
head.
between refuge and a
And
foreigner.
foreigner. So these people are not
Ask us,
refugees.
please.
These people are not refugees.
please.
They are not
Ask us,
refugees.
record.
They are not refugees.
They are
not
foreigners.
refugees.
And
They are
rena kana
not
go le
refugees.
apartheid roll on ne le yona ka South Africa.
Nasankaranka.
Okay. Basadi ba rene ba khapa kana go le apartheid. Yes. Ho.
Mong. Okay, sharp.
Oreng Ghost.
Okay. She's saying, are we saying they are not apartheid?
Yes.
saying abagezi.
You know what? At this point, I know umwe. I know.
Not but what
Omunye.
not pitchile mo no la ba khapa thola ke ba fika ka mo ba khapela ka ra di bucket ba fika ka mo ba khakula ka di plastic na ke pitchile bona batho ba ka se
Yes,
potse
no,
ke master ke pitchile bona
yo.
ah why
Ave
because
uthula mate umuntu okhona makaqeda nje ukuchitha la manzi
Utshiwo
lapha
alamo
training
manyako.
training
Usari
maqeda
training.
ukhipha amanzi maka uyiputsho re uthula busepa mola or in cause khuketi as much as the person will say hey naba kuphi bayanuka kwara nna re bolela ka ntolo re wa itse wa experience and I want to today ne kuna le koloi ringwe guys ke mo ke bona we definitely need to work hard and re terekele dikoloi batho ba bang kgisa le mo stulong se na dutse ko sona a ke re ba tsena ko koloi ba tshanu haka na ba tshanu motsa lento ya bo ukuthi di mara zuri se wena go phunguta isandla xa wena man umona the
Prota sa ba rata o ntsha current ore moyo la o ye kwa.
ka ibetse moyo la o ikwa o shala ko stulong angere
Oh, yeah,
ushala mola mo
actually khona.
yena mangaqeda ukuphuma wena mongena uthi sanibonani mawucela uthi le mpumula kuyibeka la bayabamba shile abasayizwa lento le ngisho kudala balapha phakathi ngayo bathi uzenza ngcono nabo osibabathana ngokoloyi bakukile dinko akiba kwateli
Was it xenophobic for khuluma iqiniso
Yokuthini?
o ka yona nto re bolela ngo bolela nnete gore ba nkgabe ba nkgishele mo ba dula te kona se le rena o ya
no bothata ko gore ne re ka mentiona mabitso a batho we can't
eh
Have you ever been hugged by one person on a bed?
yes
Smell.
Yes.
And then they put like the armpit on your shoulder.
oh sure yes skin to skin
Smell like
yes I know they once did that to me I went to Pep
wa bona
Home
wa
Farm.
re ipone re bolela nnete a re
True, they
ipone
once did that. I go Pep home. I bought myself a toothpaste. Not even in total. Imagine Colgate. Come home, go lubi macarona. Karo na mkholo kholo ko no ntamolelang fale. Ka re Colgate. Ka re tlhapa matswale ka mala toilet angere. Ka e thapisha ka go se ba ka Colgate. Gore ke kuleng ka go khale molomo. Ke sa go shurikeng. Again, I am a very South African. Ke le pedi go letse hae. Okay, oh ba tampetha ba le go jeng le bona. Oh go letse mo. Mara ke phela ke ya gae. I have never. Wangwa kiri. There are those who are no guru. Hey, mamang. What's that way? Mamang asa hlapa. Mamang sa la ya selaleng. Why kushisha? That's why go so. So Baki.
Every
Good.
day.
I want you to understand. Baki. No moment akona aqeda ukugeza aqeda ukukhetha lawa amanzi or aqeda ukuvulelisha awa ndixelela Thixo no5 umuntu wakhona bethunana.
happy coast o ile wa kwa motho ba re ke gona a itswa gae ka kwa ka nya go bitsa le bitsa a ba re ke gona cross support o tlile ka mo se o ile mo ka motho ba ke first time a ke ka mo South Africa o ile mo ka motho
Wa tseba kwa habo ba hirishije. Kwa ha ina re ha ya ko morao. Abathole ngathi uyabona masuphakela uphakela abantwana ba ku home udla.
Yeah.
Rena ke re ba re bana ba ditshwana re gotse so o kre di plate tshela ba di adile so le logo go botshwara nangwa wa ebo le so
Yeah.
o tseba le botshwarana ngwana ga
eh
ke tsama
mo ya ngale move mouth yibo ba twele kanjalo bathi o thoma gore ke le la bo mang lena a u khoredi ukuthi bakuphendule ngathi ungene roomini maro ye move
How can get it?
mongkho gona gore o ile ko morao ha di room ai em roomini e move kwa ma room la ba qashe khona
Eish.
mara ke nteng a fetsa batho ba tlo a mongkho gore tlolo tlhore le tshwenya he hey stu re shale re botsa ba ba gore mang khama khwafa engere
ka shala re nkgela country ya rena
rena re tla ai wa rena re tla engere ke a le tseba le jo fa doctor mathaini o tlo no crash wena
la sa
O sa tlo sa hlapa.
a re bone tshome ga
bashimane ba le borisha di-vegine ba sa tlhape ne ba rekelwa
Eh.
ba tlo re bontšha metlholo ba
o
mathaini
na lo mongwe mo tseitse phone ena moshimane wa di-veg
wena mathaimi
ke ile tshome ai
seriously
Chomi
Ne ba sa
aka.
tlhape kaofela.
Oh, so uyamjikela.
Ewana.
ditaba tse ka mokgo di tlileng ka pela ke tšao what happened o kgapa ka jane motho wa mangetoroli wena
Wena lo muntu la kahle kahle yazi le story lesi kahle kahle le yangisemisela umutha ne.
say that again
Utshela iqiniso.
What happened?
Ngitshela wena. Like lo muntu lo siphila naye ne lo sumjwayele wakudala nakudala yabona. So uze kuse uchargise ifone kubhuti wami yabona. So uza azoyilanda ekseni. Makayilanda uhlangana nami ngicela ukuvuka yabona ngisagcoka amapijama yabona not this one yes so yeah Samsung so yeah
ukwi Samsung le phone leya
Mm.
yazini phela be better than le
mfethu lesikorokoro
Oh.
yeah so ngisagcoka amapijama yabona
oh
ngiyavuka vele ngithi ngisazidlula lapha egate ngihlangana naye uthi ngicela ukuthatha ifoni la kubhuti wakho ngicela ungisendele shade umuntu engimthembayo mina ke yabona ngiyamvulela ifoni ngithi ayisenda lapho
Okay,
yabona
yeah.
ngisawuchinja
Usaluyenza.
amapijama yabona ngoba ngigcoka amapijama yabona yabona ngishintsha amapijama ngithe mangicela ukuphuma nkosi yami
man hayi ungangitsheli ufuna ukuthini
sengiyayithola nje akakutshentshelanga umnikile le phone
mara
Okay, let's just let him finish.
come
Yeah.
and then
Puma.
oh lord
Mamphuma ne
yeah
eh
hayi
noma amanye amatsotsi ayi-2 laphaya
abutsotsi
no amanye ama-out ayi-2
Okay.
sorry ngikhuluma kanje mayilingwe kanje
yeah
ya bekuhlala amanye ama-out ayi-2 laphaya
Yeah.
ma ungabuza la ma-out athi le tsotsi immediately wena uceda ukungena phakathi
akiseka
mind you
Maveji.
uthomaka kwa nna ne
eh
are kura re botsotsi na fetsa o lenda
yeah
are o nyaka tšhelete o ya orange farm ka mo papa ya monyake wa
Ehe.
thola nna ka ra ke na zaka re ntse ra ke na zaka vele
ke
ra
motho but ke chomelena le motloedi
eh
Okay.
a yena vele na ke yena vele nna be ke tsuba le yena rena ka
eh.
nako la ke eno ne ke enwa le yena
Yeah.
sometimes you understand le chomi ya ka o le mbuti a ma timing you understand sure so o kile mo nna ro nyaka tšhelete nna ka ra ke na tšhelete a ro nyaka mang a buti wa ma timing ka ra sure all right ha ina flop a tsamaya gante na o utsa phone a tlhang
oh kahle liyafoni yambe kuyimali yakhe ukhamba
ukhamba ukuthi ayi orange farm
masiya ekibo lo mfana le bathi ubaba kuthi uphume ngo6 o'clock athi ye-orange farm
and then when he might yeah what time did he get to your place
ngabuma 8 half past 8
ngwana khala le busy and what time did he get to your place
for sure ka bo ma 7 because re dutse ra tsuba dipatše ra bolela gore no lo jwang kwa jwang wa toate wa nthola
o la tloa ko ntlong a better first stop ka mo and a chofa nako a chofa and ya chofeya nako webo a landela ka mo sho ukuthi lo iclever lo
nna ke clever ka eng jwa
akaropeki umfana
no be ke sena
uzamile
yona bona nka be ke na le yona ka moggo le nna be ke motshepa e za sure ke motho re phetseng le ena be
Kira-
ke ka mo
a
go
se
raya
dlale
orange
phone
farm
ko wena he didn't try any material phone.
na vele obvious phela ke re mo re o dutse mo ke mo re fasa mo
ke motho futsa ke tsebo re nyako ya orange farm bona so ke motho ke mtshepang gore obvious o rekišetša mo kasi mo wa bona so o tla o tswa ya kae kana
manje amaveji akuphi
wona re tsana lo tlhakana le ena
mang
na mfano
ye ayi orange
o
farm
ila boy
ye
Oya.
abuya no kumnandi manje sizowina I love this now love this he's fucking back let's do this and then when he came back
okay le story isita ne but
Angeke.
makabuya ne
mhm
si akazanga kimi ane mina ngihlangane naye endleleni
arifir veggie
yes
oh the audacity
uyabona
the
So-
next
ya uthe makahlangana nami mina ngoba vele ngiyigwala simumuntu edlame yabona
uyikwala sibali bengazi ke today ngiyazi ukuthi mangihamba ngizokubikela eside ngazi ukuthi uyikwala
ya ngiyigwala kusimumuntu edlame yabona so mama ngihlangana naye vele mina bengingamboni yena ubone mina uyabona so angishayela eflate dewadelela ngakhona athi mina ngijampe ngize kuye so unfortunately bewamele yena aze kimi yabona so masihlangana athi sorry ngokudelelile izwa le story sithini ane uthi sorry ngokudelelile ngalela langa lela ngithe abengayitshontshe liyafunda ya
yeah
ngithe mangithi ngiyayisenda lapha izwa lamanga la ngithe mangithi ngiyasenda lapha
Yeah.
yawa liyafoni liya limala
Oh.
yabona so iyalimala iscreen so ngabona ukuthi lo ngizocabana naye yabona so ngathi thingohlanganisa imali yokulungisisa iscreen
so wangambuza ukuthi kuphi manje mina ngiyelungisisa iscreen
uthe isendlini ifoni yabona ikhona ukuthi ngitshontshila ngithengisanga ngikhona ifoni yabona so ngathi hayi mina mfethu ukuthi mina nawe siphilisane kahle yabona athi futhi yena uthe istory sami kanti ngithini manje yena uthe
mara washo wathi ukusebenzisele umuthi so calm
Yes.
down
yes
ukugwinya mathi
Yes.
you got this
so yena athi this Sunday bekasho that day ngizoza ekini ngizoxolisa kahle ngilethe nale mali leya bebe uyabona izinto ezikanjalo ngathi imali ifoni yona kanti awusalungisisanga athi hayi ifoni bathe hayi iyadura 800 and something so ngeke ngikhona ukuyilungisisa ngicela
so
ukubhatala
bekazoletha malini if ifoni 800 and something yadura yena bekazoletha malini endlini
Bro, no, but so ikuphi ifoni?
ifoni tasangithi sithe le story ne ifoni
Ikuphi
ngigcine
ifoni?
ngingasayitholanga ne ngoba like uthe uzoza ne makaza uza nestory ukuthi angakayitholi in anyamalala ane aceda abuya manje azo uayemas nini last of last week or nini la ngitshela ukuthi umbone tsutsuluso
or ngimbone Tsosoloso ngabuya ngambona I think last week ngihlangane naye ngespa
Urekisha di-veg.
ke mthoro kusha veg
Tell me, can I take over? Can I just take it? Can I take this? Can I take over?
yes you can take over
Mambala. Yes. Bala ke mfana di-veg.
yes
Qala unyile.
Wazibulala mfana abantu
Qala unyile.
Bishilo la
Qala unyile. Ufile ma-veg phone and ga ntse o se gona ma-veg o sa rekisa di-veg o sa letja mollo di ma-veg hence I'm saying I'm taking over letsapane tla ke le buje
yes
tla ke le buje beke e tlang go tlabe danki beke e tlang go tlabe go le letsapane mo go le dade so a re tlo tlwaela ke batho ba
vegetarian
ka letswai
yes
matiming
re tlabe re beele spinaches le diplomo mo
e kole bo re tlabe re beileki
spinaches
no mara ma-veggie serious matiming izophela le nto le I can see gore wazi noma uyikhuluma ne you are so calm you are very innocent shem and the fact ukuthi he's even giving someone a chance yokuthi ama-explainele ukuthi ikuphi ifoni yakhe abe amofele nako gore ba-negotiate ka phone yaye aze akutshele nokuthi 800 and something it's expensive so I'm thinking of giving you
Yabona.
as you asked
How?
so nanya go fa bokae nna mara ke nyako tseba tšhelete nyako a re botse nanya go fa bokae
850 ne e tura.
a re 850 ya tura matiming na re lo tlo fa bokae mara
So now unyaka go fa bokae?
matiming
no since kawubutsa since anyamaleti wabona
nawe waphuma kuye kanjalo
nakhona ngihlezi ngibusy these days yabona ngizombona nini
lefa I need your help guys ke a le hlompha ke a le rata nankwa
Usihlala kuma-veg?
yes I was coming thank you
Hlala
ghost
ibhoni
iboni
wabona ko gating ya Tsosoloso
yes
strata sela southside
oh ga go ya ga Emily ho ya ga Emily
yeah
napile ona a tse ke kgatlhekeng ka metsi ela e parakane so ke ntho e one ke
ke
one
tsebang gore o turn left mara gore o ya kae ka kwa metseng ela ke
Tsena
tsela
so. Oh, mara ke kgatlha gore ke tseba ka silela ka moka
Just share, bo.
ba mave o bitsa ka segankgile ke re mave jwe tamati e tla be kgathagantšha mo o nyele nna le a lebila empela ise matlho ke no idio so a ke lle
Serious?
tlapolosa ka ke botse matlho o tlo bona next week a ke re tlabe re beele ditamati tša mavege a ke re next week e tlabe re be di-a fela
wabona
next week a ka sodie so for now and wa bona it's so bad a ba tsamaye
Uhlala le bokae?
foni yaka ne
Or e worth ha bokae? Gape re tse- nyako tse re tse re beditše bokae?
beditše le gopolo gore
4 point something ke rekile gale
it's fine 4 point something ke tšhelete ntši boy beditše le ro re tlo jea this
se
month
yena re 800 ya tura
For
Hey.
months ka moka.
re tlo jea this month ene ke re this month I want you to understand my veg when I say this month ke ra gore he ke re this month a ke re this month ha tee mo kgweding ke ra gore this month mo bekeng re tlo jea ga i3 mo bekeng ya this month
go motshegare
kore every month ya le week ya lenyanga
Ya lenyanga.
every week ya le
ya lenyang
yeah ke yona
Yes.
ngere every week ya lenyanga ra top 3 times
every day ya le viki ya lenyang
every day ka line yone ya ke yona
ya ka wetse
no but truth be told as kids so the fact that we have one of us here who was once hlalfelst by this
By my veg.
ntho e so I right aba tsamaya
So,
but no
what
guys
happened?
I what oh oh god I love the fact that you are going to church and you believe in dead, and you understand when they say, let everything ezandleni zakhe, the
Yes,
Almighty Lord, He will
yes.
deal with them.
Ukhodiyo modiyo.
No, and you know why I'm saying this to him, ne? I love the fact that he's always going to church every Sunday, ne? And after what he just explained to us now, what he believes and in everything that they're telling him, no matter better about young, let everything to God. He will
Waba
deal with
ubetha
that.
uyise left.
No, are we say left or let or unuyema wena
Bible
no matter
liyami.
kutshontshela. Let everything to God. I, Lord, will help you. So this son here,
Yes.
Lord
yes.
will help him. So
The
you'll
son-
no longer help him.
man, no, listen, I'm still going there. This
Oh.
son here, because he's going to church, he practices what his pastor and what he preaches when he gets time to preach it.
Amen.
You get my point?
Amen.
Hence he's calm.
Yes.
That's what we do, my baby. Mara mabe, wanya, na re tlo ja. Bala ba ka batla ke junior pele di chips. Di chips, wena o reke makhura.
Yazi ba ukhuluma
Hey,
ngoNkulunkulu
makhura
ake.
dura.
Ngitsatshula umayileli ngapha ngithi uzokatheka
Ungathekelani
ngakhona.
mina bengifuna uku-understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyosebenza kanjani. Angithi u-explain it.
uNkulunkulu usebenza
Hawu,
ukuthi thina
ufuna ukwazi ukuthi wenzani
sithole amaveji
phela.
wethu and
Hawu,
that's
if
it.
uyabulala bulale phela.
Oh Lord, I don't know
Anginayo.
about killing, but what I know kuri
Angeke ayenze
ke tlo
ukubulala.
ja di-veg.
Yes.
Go
Angayenzanga.
to right. Carrots ke rata.
Wayibona.
Ke boil these days.
Hey, uphetheni enye la. Eh?
No, there's something ka bona ba ba ko ba batho ba ka montle. Una lo ngare ba ba fishe di jengere.
We.
Una laba
Sena
ngathi
gore
bathi ba
mathame ake ka ya
sishe.
topic
Una laba
lana.
bathi ba
Re
shisile
tjenyana ka-
matheni.
or le nyaka re fetse
Ba
okay re
shisile.
fetseng re fetseng ka bo ba shisile bo mang judge
Kuphi?
Ah,
ba
guys.
shisile nggo ya ngizwe
Oh, abamsishanga yena.
unfortunately ba re ba krile bana
Baba fishe.
ke
Oh.
taswa ke senda di video mo sanjel de gala mo group le kry information ba krile bana and then ba butshore ngizo kae ba re ba tseboro kae ba tsamaya and then ba boya ba fish so a tsore bana ba bona ro ka rai o ka re something is fish ba tswa ba ye go gong and then ba boya ba fish
Oh.
and then msadi angizo le na ba re na le kae kae
Guys, this is so bad.
wena vele mara go so wa upula le kang kang kala sorry this happen kana ko le makokolari kwa khalisbam
Can't touch that. What you do?
ene naelo le mang kang kalax no ngizolwa le mang you don't want to say
So,
I mean, I don't want to say. I want to hear. Ulwa le ma.
oh wa ngisendele email
mara jwale batho ka mogone ba nyoko bola ngize le family ka ofela. Ibe ba batho
mara
di lending.
struggle se so vele if you're gonna fight for freedom you have to know it's gonna live manele ne ba phela so kana ko le ba la freedom ya bo
Mara ngwise ga ni jojo wena ngwile re ke mang?
ngizwe
Ngizwe. Ngi.
kanti lena le bonang botse botse
Yeah, yeah. Angithi bongibuza ukuthi ngiphetheni. Ngifuna bengicela umayileli ukuthi angifundele le story. Ngoba yena aphuma ngama level 7 ngetheory yabona.
mara
Thina sijwayele ama
Umsebenzi webhuku. Webhuku. Thina futhi bahlezi basinakile laba bangana mafuthi.
mara wena wa hetha
Yo, the story esifundela sona is for isikhuluma ngamanye amantombazane ayi2 aphatha ama firearm
oh
interior yabona so bathi lama firearm bawaphathe recklessly yabona
Ke McDonald. Ke McD. Asena. Askisi choma ko ska mpeta nkiri ne ko bonule ne ko TikTok ka nana ka re batlo dira bo no ska ka ntlela yo. Aso
lena ya sore stone
le chome ha chome ha chomo sa lebedisa ko nna ra chome ke ntitse ntwela.
ke yona mos
Ke bone ke a motsebo
No,
mos guys
yona.
guys nna ke dula ka mara trend le rata le sarati la tsebo la
mara o ke ka tsona taba tje
no ke no I'm talking to these people of mine alaba bam mina ngenge
a bolele re
you know why bo McDonald ke people of my caliber
o ba re ke McDonald ba
yes they live mo sekeleng yaka
Those guns,
yeah
do they have license?
bona ne lebo
no those guns bala story se bala arbale ba re balele mo
don't
Or re kgone ho understand, re
don't
kgone
go
ho-
deeper in
re
order
kgone ho
to
bolela ka ntho e re e
yeah
kwešišago.
just give us tatata I would say the rest because I nagana mo askisi mara yo o tlo re boela ene la motse gore a ke tlo
Well, it doesn't indicate. Okay, it doesn't state me.
yeah
But like, the feed says, two young women got people talking on the social media after they were seen playing with guns in pictures and videos. Some people said this there were nothing wrong with it.
Mm-hmm.
And why those others said they should be arrested for handling guns carelessly. So now I want to know
Mm-hmm.
where did they get these guns?
asafelela story sama-timing man eish ngiyachava uthoma
No.
uzithathe eplast wena izolungikhuzile wena kumele ngikushange mpama kahle uzongithathe serious wena hayi
Now one thing I know Kuri,
Ngasipelela kanjani?
one thing
Now
that
that you know, it's just
no, it's fine. Yeah, one thing I know Kuri, she's an influencer here,
No,
and
asiphelelanga kanjani?
Rina is the influencer. Whenever
Yeah, just ukuthi
Linkwen guys get Rina,
Yes.
so all the time, motho ha kira phone, I did whatever that they doing. Ke camera khotlo. But nari boni and ra bona le mola
mara wa
comment
ka
wa
mo
ba
go bolelang a re tse gore thunya tse ke tsa bona ra se tsa bona na
wa comment wa ba bolela ba re tlo kwa few
that's why
minutes
ke re a re baleng
later.
story sa o felela se re now there are two men who were arrested ke bona ba nga ba le thunya tse you understand bana ba
yes.
o tshwana le ke nna le wena le ke re ko wena le ko ile ba re ke ma le mathameng ke na le Ghost Lady re tswa ko dipieng re fika ka mo go mnate because of vele re tloelana re bontsha dithunya tsa rena yo re so re di firearm so lona ka le rata o dira content le re ya o rinke di photo chomi yo ke a thunywa why did you take my man you understand they were taking content ka tsona they were not like
That's what I
meaning
said.
something harm
That's what I say.
a re ke gane ka re mara o sa re understand gore thunya tse ke tsa bomang ka information e la re krileng ko we didn't know gore ke tsa bomang
Umbulaile guys, he was attacking before I even got there. And kiri ba jwa di kai. As I said, don't go deeper. I will go on.
Yes.
I
That's why
said
bangabalanga
That's why
sonke
I didn't
story.
read the whole story.
Yes, because I said don't go deeper. I
but
will
you must
go
learn
there.
to repel Emma give me a chance so that this thing I want to speak is gonna educate a lot of rena kaofela mo. When we read, we don't read for us only. We're reading for the people there. So we have to give them the full information of what we are speaking about.
But you can't
That's
just-
why
Okay, it's okay. Yes. Finish then I want to speak.
that's why nna gantši ke ikale di-video gore ra digala ba kry proof ba bone nto re bolelang ka yona o understand so le bona a ba bone nto re e balang because what you reading there is gonna show there ba bone gore re bala eng re bolela ka eng o understand
So listen to what I said. I said I'm reading the headline. Since she knows about it, she's gonna explain to us what happened.
And
So
all,
she was gonna tell us already the guns were like you know the information, you read the story. So now if we all know what we're talking about, it's like we're talking about something that we know. And what I've noticed is that we don't get to explain to the viewers who see what happened. So every time when I be like, what happened, it's not like I don't know. But even if I don't know, it's a good idea so that the viewers don't know, I don't know. So you guys have to explain. So if you all know about the story, you guys are already talking about something that you don't know. And then sometimes I don't even know what you're talking about. That's why I said, and let me read the headlines. And then since she knows about it, tell me what happened. She's gonna tell me what happened. I'm gonna start listening. The viewers are gonna start.
but
listening. For us discussing something that we know and they don't know what are we discussing, it's not something that I would wanna watch.
but gore re kwa gore ke be ke antse you said the story is finished after we have asked the gore se feletse story mo di ke sa ba mang thunya la re no di comments di re ke sa ba mamang di comments di re ke sa ba mamang
maybe ke nna ke sentse because I
I'm
said
reading the headlines. I'm not gonna read the
oh
I was like I will
excuse.
continue from there because I saw what.
So, and my thing is, if we all know what we're talking about, we get to discuss what we know.
After
We
reading,
don't
eh.
get- no, we don't get to. I'm not even talking about this incident now.
Mhm.
I'm talking about something that I noticed. If we all talk about something that we know about, we get to discuss about it. We don't get to explain to the viewers what are we talking about. That's why sometimes, most of the time, I'll be like, "Tell me what happened. What's going on? What's going on?" That's when you have to like start explaining what I'm talking about and then discussing what we're talking about. So we can just start discussing
Before.
without explaining what we're talking about. Do you
So in a
understand?
sense, for her to act all lost is for grab those attentions to those others.
To
But
be able to
in
also
hey,
understand ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. So let
Okay.
us not just discuss something alone. Like someone who doesn't know what we're talking about wouldn't understand.
because I think already Libya McD everybody knows. Before Leifeja was like,
Eh,
is it McD? Because already I know
So
too.
she knows-
And you guys
she
don't know
can
their
say,
names, but I
honestly,
know
Yeah.
them.
asking who
You
are
understand?
Those guns from you know who are those guns from. You're gonna tell me those guns men were arrested. Da, 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 da. Do you understand?
okay
That's how
'Cause-
I'm doing it.
And hey, and botho re bulang ka bona ra ba rata and ntwe ba dileng re hong mara yo.
Yeah.
La motho e bang ke re. Oh,
No, I don't know them. No,
Make di ke ex ya tribe wa di bosa ola na di le tattoo ya.
Ke bonele commenting ka itse serious because of I mean na big na ro ba gwera re mo se ke motho a try ke batho ba tribe ba.
Aba gwer ngola na di le tattoo ya tribe mo nka re le sa moema ke re masat make di ke bila ka lo judu di dile wena ke a o tseba.
Yeah.
Molemo a wa ka re lata. Ale mo tsebe aka ke mamba ba tsebile ka le batla fimi ka nna le sa tlo la gampi. Na ka ba ke mo tseba. Make the please don't cut, not me. We are facts and laughs here for here. There's no Dawson, there's no 083 girls, laugh at the facts and record. Why not get why not get something like a logic? Ilu wena o je thunya jama jitale le dia so.
Content.
Mara gape no ba buleshe guys lento ba yenzile truth be told. Ba raw cause no bana majitale.
Yeah.
And up right right na license.
Orara na John.
Wara. Sunye so ba license se dula ga botse. Sunye so kere ile I saw it and kamaka we were so shocked. Why are they even ko ribile mngani o re bare ai we kisa ko nna we shebisa ko nna
Wa shebisa ko khoni.
ya are ola chomiki ya kiswe kenye ukuka ntlela ya hona di bullets or chomiki ya kiswe kenye ola ai mas ka shebisa ko nna ara kire mana kiswe kenye kire mur. And by a few hours later, I think maybe they got whatever ne. Jonah yesterday, a trend right away to South Africa, and they're content creators. So anything that she does within a blue of an eye, it goes there. When I know if I live another born, no one can know. Bashimani, Manaba Bashimani guys.
Now drilling.
I can't remember Bashimani, blow the Bashar, my babies. But I'm like better than if you what's about your unpacket. Itiagasi. Abas, leave the Gazi. Yaneli is a po. Wadimu. But
it was wrong, and but at the same time, I think me now on my own perspective, and they will save anyana because I'm a kazini mangche angbonang video picture
yes
magazine be keep you
bakhiphe yonke into shem umngani uyiphethe sona ukuthi uyabona le ngikhiphile then leza bhamu zabona leza azina next yona magazine awona ngari nesina lidi bullet ela yaola mara ya ngwanyana ka ola nchomi McDonald ya ga go bona a re ke ntshitse ke ne
kubuza batho ba no stoko
sa McDonald
sa McDonald
stoko sa DJ stoko sa DJ
we pala ko no boxing McDonald
stoko sa City
ela sinekdiyela amola icheka ngifunde ku icheke moyela sisitoko sa McD isitoko sama CDs ela check
yo
check
Cause one put is a really bit of length like a man, I'll like a stock of some
But I love the fact that Velo, you guys, I can see that you don't.
Hey,
one China, I was like, give McD and then it's her. No, just talk some McDonald's. Yeah, I get this beautiful young girl, Ora Jamba Compo, Romativechiko Macompo, she's an influencer. But now, hey.
Oh, some McD, Minang Fundelo Ma, Ngati CD. Yes.
McD,
Kona ke gopola no ora McDonald ke McD.
Yeah, so stock McD legend. Yeah, it was very safe. Truth be told, I seen an ex and get ada kokiwa. Mara guys, una lojunga arska di dirang cause rata batho. It's by my sense. Even if we keep ile.
Even God moving, I think as to about as magazine. I actually fake guns.
Thank you.
So what would you think as a content creator?
You need to have. Yeah, I know Rasna magazine. Guys, and life is too short now. Nikwati saying to is ngani. Imagine now get two boys. Lele na banyana razo lo kopani ka kela tsala pheli ticket. Why understand?
Yeah.
And if I'm not saying you are crazy or anything. But if umuntu no, even their friends about the right. If you want your friend who knows to get tattoo ya motho mo le mo, una ga go dubule wena. Akono tattoo la mushimane mo. Coming wahela uze nesitshwara 21 ke ngonyana or maybe ni lungwa wona don't come for me no sitshwara 21
sure
because angere ke gopola re abe tribe o maratile ne ndo ba le o ba le masepe no bo mozamile ko bana wena ba bona wanyana mo bright yeah ga go tshwara 21 maloba mo nkare next year tlositse dilo tsela tša tribe mo gore na a sa di tloša
Au.
ya na a sa di tloša gore na a di tlositse so wa mmona gore stoko ena mara stoko a se sethunya sa go ka se re tlele la ka re tlela ka se re thuntšhang ke re ke sa bašimane bale phopho stoko
o nyaka se sengwe o nyaka boyfriend ngwa ba le sethunya o late
o phelela nna nka magatla jwa a tle mo yai nka mo loma o tse o loma ke the best
o etsang
loma
o loma
ya
okay strategy sokulwa ngituthe
abanye izinja sisaveva kanje emhlabeni izinja zizinja zihlezi zikhona izinja ngoba ziyaluma umuntu amluma
awusahambi noNkulunkulu kanti manje
hawu
ngiyaphi naye ngoba mina bengisho wena mara nangikhumula guys bengithini bekiri yena what he preached and what they preach and what he listens to at church yile afamba yona ye what's up tata king ke boletse loko
yeah mina into engizama ukuyisho
Kayile
my
mathi.
lady ukuthi manje
Dayibabesi.
usongikhondona ukuthi ngiyolwa futhi awusangibuyisele esontweni
hey wena ankere o mongwe le mongwe o na le ka maikemeng ankere wena sonteng wa tsa gore o believela ma
Ah.
o eme ka lotile one o tlo o bala e tla ka mo go thege loma batho ba balance o ka se eme so wa nkwiša mara morare
ke mlume tsebe
tsebe wa itsebe
ke mlume
ufuna ukumlungu vele wona ukhetha ikrele zonke le nto
Ma
ke mlume
mlungu matete imatete
still taking your gold. Take it enko. I'm teng la. Aba mpumile la. Hayi mo.
ka tsoma mina
A ska nchaka mo ka kenya gore no phele ne mashu. Bo. Unga keep yonke mo. Unungita mo so.
ai
So,
khero
ebe nkare mitile ka nkolo. Yeah. Uzostop. Kunabanye abantu wabona mola nomuntu. Ungali nomuntu ka dilo tshele tshedi obvious gore ke tlapa yenze ama miracle ilo nomuntu ukuthi kusasa mabacoca ngoba bathi umathiming ukhipha ipiece ompubulo hayi impumulo ipiece ayikushisa ipiece ukuze ukuthi dangerous kanjani babacala bayenza amasimo yababheka wathi wena umbamba wabona miruwe aniso
Yeah.
umkuka ngawo wenza izinto ezimiracle bathi yazokuka ngesihluthi loyo meso why is it dangerous do that ashayi mpama angire mara mathimi le flu yakubapha kahle waziyagodola iflu ne
wakodola
even your eyes they say so or let's story say phone we took him back to something ke metra khantidi ke medri mara za wena ba o raile mo wena ona khibiri wena ba o raile mo wena o tshwana le olo
khanti nala mpotsa re ke sephiri ya a o ntjela
batsa o ba lo mpotsa o mo ba di ba
no ai nna ka ya understand score ke revenge
o lo ba me le ngashoni and ba bambile ka pila ne
wow umbambile
askissing shayam askissing shayam
yatholakala
hayi shem ke tsona tsa South Africa guys ke tsona tsa South Africa ke sethunya
ka rafet
Mathemi.
o tsinya go etsalela uthini uthi
ha ke tswalele ke South Africa mo
ubafuna hlezi ayijika ngami okay mara mina into bengifuna ukuyisho la ukuthi like angazi if bese
ungathi ufuna ukuvela
ko studio la
guys this ghost is ghosting herself ughost uyayithusa yena self
the future was bright for you
and we were like what
oh
what were you saying
mina was saying ukuthi if sisivalile ngostoko sama city
McDonald ishi disidia scratch man has scratch wala ana scratch man ta McDonald
sorry to pronounce your name wrong yeah emara bangangizeli nabo did you hear about the taxi owner apparently bambambile allegedly bambambile manje for ukuthi uskeme imali allegedly uskeme imali ane unama taxi are more than 400 and something yama taxi yabona nama business amaningi so mabam investigator bamthola ukuthi une isandla sokutshontsha imali
sangasemfe
uzongizela uthi
Ubani?
ukutshontsha imali le mali manje bekayitshontsha kuphi
bekayitshontsha ithinga ukufundela le story yes angithi unamabhizinisi yes
Hey, they
So,
do have businesses they don't
through the
pay.
mic
They do
Oh.
have businesses they don't pay.
How?
ngisho
Yeah,
namakhampani
next.
amakhulu musayenza lento ekhulumayo wena payslip inakubhala ukuthi bakubhatalele i-tax mara i-SARS izakufonela uthi hey
Awudzibo.
phela wena sikwazi la
They don't know you.
awu
Yes.
semzansi la
bangozi musi
All over. Skomota said it.
all over
all over
This taxi boss allegedly made millions through
Yeah, kwala.
and today
hala isakwala ke poster man
Bafana King of the Sky City
Oh,
became famous for helicopters, luxury cars,
Kimon.
and a flashy millionaire lifestyle across South Africa. But authorities now link him to
nkare ke
organized crime
dwavunyana so.
involving
A ke tlo ropa batho
money
jwang.
laundering and violent taxi industry operations. Investigators claim a businessman was forced to pay over 2.2 million rand in illegal protection fees after violent threats. The investigation is also exposing deeper allegations tied to taxi violence, intimidation, and powerful underground networks. Although reports claimed he surrendered, prosecutors later revealed he was allegedly trying to flee before being cornered. From Ferraris and private helicopters to organized crime charges, the fall of the king of the sky is shocking South Africa right now. Follow us for more stories like this.
And he's a reckless rich person. If unale chelete, how are you taking ule munhu beke nekhanda?
wena batho ba ba le tšhelete ba gafa man
Au ba o ba le chelete ka go se ifufutse.
Eh.
Wa bona ka ba le
Ba reka
chelete o se
di-luxury
iberekeli.
cars, bo Kate Makela na ba mmakatša gore ba ditsotsi tše di dira so
A fetša ba phumula ka dithusho di kudumela. I can understand because bathong ene ke mmona tseba ene o monile ukuthi njani ngathi barinyana ubusa bakhe buno I'm stupid
barena le nyoko
and unobuso bokuthi ngidakiwe every day
eh
yeah
bolela
I
Fortuna
say
Rao.
shakole sorry
Ghost madoda
uthe emvuli yanetsa
Skomota syndrome
ngwana sisi yagana ka wena nna
a ora re nka bona le yona nka ba ba ropile so ele wa bona rola hai
gape a tse o nyetša monno mara tseba ko ba sekomota syndrome fela ka pele ape sekomota ba re ka itse ra shoota kere a re yes e batho mare
gante re dirang
ala gafa what so this guy is he ke bona nkare una but at least does he humanize ne they're not saying anything about the
About
no
Abafazi.
no that's when listen that's when awona ngoku
yes
kuningi okuzayo
ne
that's how it is ankere wa bona he ba lethomba ba and then o motho ba oh really then o mo ba like I've been dating kore like ba tlo mo goga ka mo le ka mo ankere plus ena ba re wa patedisha for chatapisha your mouth angisho umunye uzothi ngizoshophela ukuthi uyangilala but after the trend that he has now and vele impilo yakho uyabona ukuthi vele he's skating on a very thin ice ungathuki next amadala loko umuntu a ri ta ku expose ba byele ku ri expose
yeah
Eish.
ba ka motshwara ba tsamaya brand mokgosi o tsamaile mabana
Eish, ba ba tshwara guys
hey 2026 e kile ka mehlolo wena
Ba ba tshwara wena.
But-
you know I know that they said le first level felong ne I always said I didn't want to really fela
fela
lenkiremo le fela bana ka moka guys every day uno tlhokofadiwa
botse moto sena ba re lefatshe le le a fela ba ra jwang re a fela le rena
bona ne ke bona nkare wa bona ka mokgwa batho ba tlhokofalang ka ona nkere le wena nka nore ke fetse go tswa ka mo bamphonola ba re wena o ile gore na ke ile ke bofelo ba lona kwa bane ntho ngwe le ngwe guys you know guys I don't even
le fela
understand
mo South Africa fela gore ka move
ke bona ka re nyaka moka mare ke bolela ka la rena la ka mo lona
Fake maybe
la
ka
bofelo
relocate.
and I'm not okay the fact that we didn't even say rest in peace to Nova la letse ba le kompo this guy o fetse go tlhokofala wa le kompa ke la o pare fetse o boloka ba bethe and then there was Queen and then Noki Nova
fa ya kae batho ba ba le kompo Ha, wa banna.
lekile botse.
e napo kolo di ba le
Yeah.
jwang ke 3 months ka fela kgwedi nngwe le nngwe
e seng
apare
kgwedi week
Week,
one week yeah
nagana.
Queen re ba mbolokile last
ha
week
wa bana
like every
Sure.
week they bury someone every week and it's so bad that re na le mazulu a le gore they've been in this industry bo mahu together with lots of them ba mazulu ba ile gore they're still here they're not dead you understand bo
Yes,
Java bo
yes,
Big Zulu ba sa phela ba tshwarane botse motlhobola
Yes.
then bana ba makompo kore phela I don't think ba thakathe umuntu
o tshwere ba bolaya ke bo reckless bo ba bona
a se bo reckless
Ah.
ba gona le kore re ka se re bo reckless ba bola cause le rena sometimes bana le you are so
Re ba
reckless.
reckless, yeah.
So I don't want to say
Nkareng.
that. Yeah, I don't want to say that. So I believe there's I don't know you know what I don't know if by gona le agreement that bona they are doing or uno munye umuntu uthi I want to show them who I
Oh,
am and if
small
you don't
room.
or if you don't listen to me ke tla go pha
Eh,
because how are
eh.
they all ka accident ka moka
So
kore if o le kompo santse o thule ke kore santse o weka koloi and when you surviving it kore people like bo shebe ke batho ba re tla reng ba survive
o ra re nte ne e bolela ke tsaka ke nnete
ya goreng
ya gore shebe na o ile ko ngakeng and then na sa ka sa e patela ngaka ewe and then
no I usually bona tsaka there are some things that he's saying those ones which they make sense ne and then there are others that you know gore shem ai
Wa gago.
tsaka ke tsaka but now mo makompo if you follow makompo and you understand a lot of things that are happening I believe re ba le ntho le gore we are grateful for bo shebe ba sa phela le bo Karishma even though we don't know how she's doing now but now we are worried as much as the bride is always saying she's recovering and vele re nyaka recover because we want to see her back but we are worried gore how bad it is because since last year October till today and koloi ya kore guys I'm not done ankere go tlhokofetse Nova ba bethe the ex ola wa producer ile ya
Ba bethe,
ga shwezi ba bethe na le kamera koloi ele e shilagene ile nyela ke a ba bethe so ke ba bethe ana lo mwa ke tsebe ke mamara o yena o tlhokofetse then ba bethe leno sa le go hospital we don't know rudralang ka bona bao but when we are looking at that car
o
re ba
sa
like
ntse ba vae kaofela
a re nyake le gore ba vae ke ntolo ba phela ba phonyoga bana re ba like made someone a phonyoge but guys I know ba yona was so I used to say people are acting when they cry for batho bane but ke tepone ke lela Karishma ka re ke a actor man ha wa ka Nova ke tepone ke sa celebrate Mother's Day and I was like because they are very young people that we know them
so
shout out to season fet
o bolelang ka
Nkuna,
yona ke
take care of yourself, Mfana.
ba re ke mang master Cortis a binang ko yona a betha makunya
yeo ya wa makunye ei
Kgale ba re boloka jwang, mara
lena
ngaka-
dingaka di bina mapopo magong and ko rena mapedi a tsa batho ba tswa limpopo a tsebane wazini fana mne uyabona wazi lento enzakalayo I love the fact ukuthi yithi ngokwethu akusana lento ukuthi umuntu uzothi amaZulu ke bona ka bo bona ngaka the person that them they said ke ngaka egolo yona ene ba ne re believe there's a blue room that is doing all this
Small
things.
room.
Small room now there's a purple background wabona ba re if you sing chachangu my boy he was singing mola mo there what now when we see you singing hona le ntho e purple ko morao we are like alempotsa we doing shopping we just want to check what are we going to wear re checka di budget tja rena di shapo now because now they're saying there's something wrong kanto ile even though we might say maybe they are saying but there's something happening to Lukompo and it has something to do I don't know you artist niyavuma but it's bad guys like bayomncaba lo mntwana manje ke kosani ke today bamncabile today memora
Today is
saying
Saturday.
yolini
Today is Saturday but
akitse but nanali I don't know then we are waiting for someone because again Novo tlhokofetse they mention another one wa Lukompo una le dipina le bushandeshi apparently
Le
le yena ba
wa
re
tsamaya.
tlhokofetse
Hey, ba.
so busy so now I'm scared because I rata makompo ba skarisha mo
wa ke a jela nna defend
ra tshoga mo nna ke tshoga mo nna le skarisha rena batswadi
may their soul rest in peace
true it's very bad
so
ai
how do
Lukompo
you feel ore sheba so tso jale since o fa o le fan ya hae
how does
ore yo sorry mpetse
ba tsora mafelo la bolo mo tsene wena o tse congratulations to
Like-
shite for tsa ka tronko
like
na wo mogolo kaofela mo re re botsa makolo mogolo so mara nna re ka
guys after keyboard you know I was so when I was like what so the videos that I saw kita eng and then the fact that we were all so mad at each other or we I'm not the only one though I think all of us our
nna ke fa ka se ka re le congratulations
yes because we saw everything they live and that's when I saw what like le Oscar social media this thing can see you might die sorry for now because we were all convinced that he's out not only me everybody people are saying yeah my brother and then I'm like and then you see all the videos and then you like
cause le nna ke fa ka
ke ena go na le go ngwepela le monata mo la kiria ke ena monata gore wena tse ntšha mo and then now you are listening to that song wa gore marapina ya monata go bane ke a gale monata ka mapina e le no and that's like guys I cried
yeah
wena
but
ona le video
nna-
ngala
nna
ba
ne
itsa
ke
go
botšiša-
khoto shebe shite go ra
Ke a
ya gale
botša, eh.
etsa so
a swere le pekana tša
eh se re
gae
pekana ah
a ke sharp
a bolela nnete social media
ke
re
a
tsebe
yena
ka
a botšiša tšeo nna ne ke botšiša gore since o le fan ya shebe a ke re ba re sheba sa tswa no ba mo charge tse dingwe tse di more than
Mhm.
20 no 20
So-
charges
20 and
What about that?
how do you feel as fefene high or asatso because you were
I'm just glad that I saw hlokofale. As long as asa hlokofala, asa leka kwa. We just want to say it's God's plan. We don't know what's happening, but you're one of the people whom we are saying they've survived this demonic industry. As much as they're saying when all demon wara, as much as you lost your daughter, but I'm just born and fit. God's plan. You are fine there.
God's
So do you
plan.
know the whole theory of this, like, these apparently, allegedly, these demons trying to attract these artists into joining
Mm.
the Illuminati thing?
Mhm.
So if you don't join, they're gonna make sure your whole life is
Hell.
Oh.
Yeah. So le rena ka mo ga borena ho na le
So
nthunyana tse di
even though
jwalo.
sometimes you might accuse them or they've already joined. Or whatever about joining.
Ha ba joina.
Ke re-
That's why go lo
Whatever
so.
that's going on in their lives,
Exactly.
them trying to make them like,
Some
if you can't beat them, but like they make it horrible to a point where if you can't beat them, you need to join them. Type of vibe, understand?
who's trying to
But
make
go dira
themselves
the
pity
best or
become
was
South
sabotage
Africa.
until you join them. But the rokara o join bona
Yeah.
everything it's a smoothly.
Yeah,
Khan
okay,
mola
no,
no
but
sabotage
everything-
ko bona.
because they do have like the money, the
Ah.
resources, and everything to just make your life difficult or the best. So it's either you join them, they do everything for you with whatever sacrifices they want, or you don't join them, they make your life a living hell. So they might even like, let's say for him, if he didn't join, he might even go to prison for it. But
Yeah.
if he does join,
Life e tlo ba sharp ya
Might just
shebe.
come out,
O gopole nako tsela sa ijwa, khumbule be ba mbopha a phuma every day like within a blink of an eye. And then ha fetsa o phuma still. O sa dilo di dintsi di wrong because he believed runa le matla. Ankere vele na tshwere ke. So the moment you think I wanna be alone ba fetsa kunzima. I'm just hoping that we are done with ngobaring each other. Mababosho baboshwayo bazokulena bazobuya ba right, but let us not kill each other man. Wazi nomntana shonile mncane kanjani? Omtsibi chacha nkucha. Ummone ka mokgasa. A le tsebe chacha kunchacha.
Kore mpola ka mo go biditse ka confidence ne ka mara motsebe.
chacha
Ke le kompolona.
yeah,
Hey, a le-
Lerato le fedile
Le
pinela ya
teenager le
shebe,
kompone.
pina ya shebe
A
le
problem ke yona ye shebe na.
no le ile kgola ngwaga pina ya shebe le ngwanyana mzulu ke mang.
Ba re ke manna.
A nka se mo tsebe ko bana ona yena o
Zuma.
le zinqubalo ngwana o kina epela le pina ile ya Lerato le fedile. Ke le channel la ko Limpopo. Lerato la ka. Ke le channel la ko
Kore
Limpopo.
re re chacha nkucha.
A ke tsebe e ke efe. Yeah.
Ba ka re ba wena ba ka copyright. Ka re copyright.
Yeah, I love him Shem. O ile mfanaka.
Nah, no, nah.
Berile monwana lilina la re kgantšha ka bana again. Bana ba rena. Yeah, so this guy wepela le mfano mongwe wa ka ba re ke Sizwe Nkuna. I used to work with him ko Johnson. Sizwe,
Ao.
wena ba ka se o fitlhele mfanaka. Shakara mina wena ba ka se o fitlhele. Ke re bona botša Mmankuna, botša Mama Whitney a rapele ba ka ja ka wena ba botša gore wena o tswa kae gae. Ba ka
Ka mphathele.
a tswa mphotlhele. Wa ko nna vulavula kwa Nkuna.
Oh.
Ke Sizwe Nkuna, the Nkunas le mo following.
Wena ke ano wa Bush.
And Mpumalanga. Mpumalanga.
O bea ka Bush.
Ke Bush.
Bush,
yeah.
Yes, mfanaka.
Bush.
Wa bona ke mmotsa everyday ke re Sizwe hana ka wena cause ke
Aya,
ntho e one bana le pina e one yena le this guy ya mogotsi wa ka and yo
Wena umshangana sekoli mos.
Yeah,
Anko right.
Bushbuck Ridge area e ka Masuku.
Oh, area e ka Masuku.
okay and nna ngwana ka o rata wa epela so no bana batho ba ba epela re sa dumela guys ne bana ba ya dikolong ba dilo tse di kaone bana ba gwa wena bana ba ba fela pele ke bana ba ba kae ba ba tlhokofetse ba re ba bolokileng ba re ba thuša batswadi ba bona so a re sa epele le nna ne ke nna ka re ke tla wa itse bang ke re wa wena wa zimina futhi manje sengiyayeka ngicabanga ukuthi sengizoba i-president
President.
yeah
nagana re tshwere ko wena toseng
wa nkare o nyako ntelela
aowa ka ko telele hle mara imagine re tshwere ko wena toseng o ka cancela le disasanyana tse ka moka wena ai
wa bona mane ngaphathwa yimi nka ko poleke e nngwe so mo ke go letse ngwana ba re ke Kalfanteng station 1 ka thoma ka strata se sengwe so ba re ke strata sa Jack
la sa ngala ba le go le skontiri ka kwa
ba na le sona strata la sa Jack ko no se thuba so
ke resele sa lena
sa
sa
rena
tse ko no se thuba
wa bona mala sa
Yeah,
Jack
mara
dithuba
batho
o thoma
ba
mo ntlo ya mo
sheba.
khoneng
Ah,
1
ba
2 kanore uno thuba ntlo tse 2 fela 2 houses only kanore ka thuba
wa ikola ko 601 mo la strata
ya o tseba ke mfana ka bona le batho go strata sa Jack go just strata sela sa go ke siso wa ka sisha ka go le kushisha ka ja sela sa killfish ka sisha ka go mpuchoro wa abana matlalo I love you guys
Aye.
She's just trying to get in trouble, guys.
like I mean there are people who just focusing on us all the time and I mean so ngifuna nje ukubakhiphela lesa skontiri lapha kuye abethe ke dust maybe utavula like ke dust
ka gwa wa kro
utavula ke dust
I like how he just don't finish his thing. Finish the whole thing.
I don't know seka oh my god guys till we
Meet again.
yes bafe
go phela go le monate wa itse go ba le lona ga go monate go re tsamaye and before we start we have that thing let us do this and so that we can get done and then masisingenile kuyashisa kumnandi nje kumnandi or matiming next week uzoba right ne
Uncle
ah
right.
matheme phela kula
Oh, Sashintana, very good. At least you're handling it well.
yeah when you are not a bread when you are not a baby that doesn't have a voice when you are not a baby uyabo
A baby one.
you are not that wena
You're not a little.
you are not a little ngwana uyithwere
Ah,
botse
mara
Abantu mabagula bazozenza ngathi.
she's a girl and he has to be strong he's a boy
why are you pointing
Don't-
fingers who said what about who
don't compare
who said what about who
ah
Aye.
nna ke a itsena
Aye.
ne ke bolela
who said what about who
Benithi amantombazana yiwa strong dlula abafana so uyayijika manje.
Eish,
sharp
hayi nama ngisazi
sharp
usho ukuthi vele le nto level yasicontribute ne so vele phela lana ilena yona iproven ukuthi amantombazana stronger than abafana but they are softer than boys
you know sometimes I believe ratefa it's not like we are so
stronger but soft.
no we tend to tetema because we want you guys to bamba us like
Like
eggs
tirish,
but truth be
but-
told rena re dimbogoto
yeah
we
bona
can
ba
do-
strong
you-
even
we ambogoto.
i-military yayiprove ukuthi abasoja abafazi mabatubuliwe baphola fast than abamadoda because of their genes are stronger than men's genes
men
Eh.
oh pull a trigger on
So,
me
mama
I will
Jimbo
wake
goto.
up
so babathi imbokodo simakrapa ka nnete.
Well, yes if a mbogoto was a
Why?
person basho
Me.
oh
Yeah.
ah wena hayi wena ba boletse ba re moso
I'm just a
oh the voice di a tsamaya
I'm a soft mbogo.
oh yeah oh as I said or soft and strong
yes and I'm a strong
and soft
soft
as this
no, what is soft
Oh.
what is soft I'm not soft I will never be soft ebile bona ga ke gata le gore le re nka nna go
so yeah like this
okay now this is do sono mudoso doso mago amzo no this is me guys do you want to una go do sorry ke baba bjang
o ka malaya we
well guys oh guys we love you so much till we meet again please give us that sound I am ready for Marvels
yeah guys don't forget to stream my music at the end of this mara I'm not yet ka decide or ko releasing my AI music guys is coming out is based on ngizwe phakela and Jacinta and much
Mabaham he says something like that but I know it's all chorus Mabaham
Hey. So asivaleni kanjalo guys until we meet again same place same time bafethu asithi we
love you
Sinthanda ngenhliziyo nangomoya.
le ka pelo le phene
ka pelo ka
O nyaka go
mmele
ruta?
pelo le moya
ruta le ka ra sekotolo
go ruta le ya ka kwa
e kwa ka monyako o ye ka ntle batho ba modimo re no o wa tima pele o tlo tswa